Today we're going to take a look at the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax. According to Turtle Wax, this provides amazing clarity, shine, and protection. Well, let's take a look and put it to a test on this 1988 Corvette and see how it really performs. Stay tuned and let's check it out. Turtle Wax says to put 4 dime-sized drops. I'll put a cross as I typically would do, and let's try this out. So I will start with the front fender. What I like to do is dab the product around the fender so it's spreading it around before I actually begin. So let's get started with it. So after 5 minutes, with a clean microfiber cloth, just wipe down the excess wax. As you can see here, it's pretty easy to come off actually. A little goes a long way, so if you put a lot, it's going to be difficult to remove. So just be mindful when you're applying it. So once again, a little goes a long way. So taking a look, it's looking pretty good. Look, it's really shiny from my vantage point. Really glossy. So far this is looking pretty fantastic. So next I'll be working on the hood. And you want to work in 2x2 areas, so you can again put 4 dime-sized dabs on your pad of the product, or again I like to do cross and again just going side to side, and then of course you're going in a crisscross formation. So as you can see, the side by side and eventually the crisscross formation in approximately a 2x2 section. So here we go. Once again, after 5 minutes, use a new or clean microfiber cloth to wipe down the excess wax. And I typically like to flip the towel over just to make sure I've covered everything. finish off the rest of the car and show you the final result. Stay tuned. I finished the rest of the car, and here is the final result. I think you can see a lot of gloss on the paint itself. This was a very easy product to use. Once again, using a DA polisher really helps to expedite the job. You can definitely do it by hand, but I would caution not to use too much product because again, it'll be a little bit more difficult to remove. So you can see the gloss on the hood, for example, here. I know it's a white car, but you can definitely see the reflections, the great shine, really, and really smooth. The car feels really smooth. Of course, before you do any of this kind of work, you want to prep the car accordingly. You know, whether you do a clay bar, iron decon, do compound if really needed. And of course, then you go into, this is again a polish and wax 2-in-1. So this was a really easy product again to use, but just to be sure to have a really smooth surface and a clean surface, you want to do that prep work in advance. So you can see the rest of the car here. Again, great shine, great polishing look. So this is the Turtle Wax ceramic polish and wax hybrid solutions. Great product. I definitely recommend it. This product has been around for, at the time of this video, definitely over 5 years. So share in the comments your experience using this particular product. So thanks again, everyone, for watching this video. If you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel, please do so. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Have a good one.